thought empowered was the perfect name for this because my parents raised me to be a very empowered person, so at least my childhood was very hands-on, very outside, very much do it yourself, figure it out yourself. So I think it was pretty natural that I went into manufacturing. I'm a process engineer. I've been with the company for about 2 years. Typically, I call us the catch-all, so I'll do a lot of validations that production can't support. I'll bring in new equipment as needed, working out on the floor if I have an ongoing project that isn't working properly. Yeah, we see it all. Right away, I knew I wanted to go to college and be an engineer, and I knew I wanted to work in manufacturing of some sort because manufacturing runs the world. There's nothing that you touch in your daily basis that wouldn't be a part of a manufacturing process. This company is really good at placing people where they want to be in their life and placing people in things that they're good at. I was shocked getting into manufacturing, especially a plant this large, how much responsibility we all have to do what we do well. I'm not about to say that I never have imposter syndrome. I totally have imposter syndrome, but I have found myself a team that will not allow me to have imposter syndrome. You need to be on teams, at least while you're young, that will boost you up. Making sure you know you're capable and making sure everyone else around you knows that you're capable. It's really collaborative. I love the people here. In my career, I've found myself justifying every little decision I've made on a certain project. As a woman in manufacturing, you're not always believed or you're not always taken as an authority. Honestly, as a woman, sometimes it makes you a better leader because if you start getting challenged a lot, you realize that you need to justify your decisions in your mind, and sometimes it helps you make better decisions, and sometimes it helps you sway and influence people more because when they start to challenge you back, you've already challenged yourself and you know the reason why you did this and you know why it's going to work. My mom actually was an engineer for her whole career. Having women prop me up in my career has made a huge difference. There's more and more of us every year in every generation, and I've realized that I also need to be that when I get old enough and start managing people and hiring interns and things like that. I plan to be that representative in the future. I think if you're not a little nervous, you're probably not doing life right. When you're excited to do what you're doing and you're excited to make an impact, they'll give you more and more opportunity and give you the influence to do what you want to do. I mean, companies love people who want to make an impact, and they will give you the opportunity, especially a company like this, to make an impact and a difference. My name is Ertmer, and I'm a manufacturer.